doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make cheesesteaks on your Blackstone Griddle. Now, one of the things I've missed since moving to Wisconsin around a year and a half ago is a good cheesesteak. We had a couple places where I used to live in California that were just known for cheesesteaks, and sure, you can find them out here, but they're kind of listed on a multi-menu. It's not a specialty, and I've been craving it, so I decided to make some of my own. The star of the show is the meat. Now, normally we would use ribeyes, but when I went down yesterday to get the ribeyes from J&E Meats, they were completely sold out. So we picked the next best thing, which is some New Yorks, and I had Eric over there was very nice to slice very thin. I got some beautiful Hoagie Rolls, I got some Provolone Cheese, I got some mushrooms. In here I got 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, and 1 onion. And this is super easy. Get the ingredients together. We're gonna go out onto the Blackstone Griddle. Best part is I'm gonna turn everything on low. So I'm just gonna take my time, enjoy a beverage out there. Don't have to rush it, don't have to stress it, and these are gonna be absolutely delicious. So stick around, I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, since everything's gonna take like 10-15 minutes to cook on the Blackstone, I need a beverage. So I'm going to be sampling this new zero carb drink called Carb Bliss. It's a vodka cocktail, and this one's black raspberry and 5% alcohol. We have 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 100 calories, gluten free. Okay, so this just came out. So that's what I'm having. This is my daughter Ava Grace and my son Kyle.
Hello.
Now Ava Grace is trying a new smoothie that we discovered at the store. This is Simply Smoothie Strawberry Banana. She loves those smoothies, so that's what she's having. 100% fruit, no added sugar. Gotta keep it.
Hopefully
under.
there's not total sugars. Well, maybe.
There's
And then Kyle's gonna try. Yep.
I'm in trouble. 36 grams. I'm gonna be bouncing off the walls.
Yes, you are.
You always are.
It's natural sugar.
It's natural sugar from the fruit. Okay, and Kyle's gonna have something special from Wisconsin, another Jolly Good soda. This is just fruit punch. So that's what Kyle's gonna have. Okay. So there you go, Kyle.
Come over here.
Yeah, that's what he's doing.
Let's see.
Yeah, I'm just letting them know. All right.
He knows.
Let me pour mine.
For Kyle.
I'll pour yours. Ooh, nice. Mine's gonna look the same color as yours, I think. All right, Ava Grace. Ooh, this is thick.
Oh yeah. I think they're already thick, like those drinks, the Simply Smoothie ones. I think they're already thick.
All right, we'll save them.
Simply Smoothie. We always have the Simply Orange Juices stuff. Simply Orange, and this is like another kind. It's Simply Smoothie.
All right, guys. As always, I appreciate you watching the video. Let's cheers to each other. Cheers to our viewers. Thanks for stopping by.
Have some hope I won't drink it all.
Yeah, don't drink it all. Drink it slowly.
In like 5 seconds.
This is good. Mm. It says it's a vodka cocktail. It definitely has some sweetness, but it must have some artificial sweetness because there's no sugar in it, but it's tasty. I like it better than the seltzers. It's got a little bit more substance, it feels like. They have some other flavors. I'll definitely be checking them out.
Wait, did you shake well?
Yes, I shook well. You saw me.
Because this is shake well in the
Yes.
back.
Okay.
I really don't know. Like it's good. It's sugary. It's good. But I really don't know what to say.
It tastes like strawberries and bananas.
Strawberries and bananas. It's hard to. it's just good. I'd have it again. It's really good.
Okay, well there you go. Good strawberry banana smoothie. All right, Kyle, and the Jolly Good fruit punch.
I'm trying to think. What's that? I don't think it's carbonated. What's that popular one that they have in the vending machines at Coke and
Like Hawaiian Punch?
Yeah, I think it's that. It's the.
Yeah, I think
the
Hawaiian.
guy surfing. And
Yeah, that's Hawaiian Punch.
Yeah, I forgot what it was called. Though.
Yeah, Hawaiian Punch. Does it taste like that?
I haven't had that. I'm thinking
Oh.
it's a big brand. I forgot what it's
Yeah,
called.
that's probably the most well-known fruit punch.
I'll have to look it up.
All right.
Anyway, it tastes like that. I would say mixed with like a fruit punch, like Jolly Rancher.
Okay, so it's good. All right, well there you go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, of course you had to drink it all.
Empty cup.
All right, guys,
again.
I'm gonna get all my ingredients together. I already got the Blackstone pushed outside the garage. I'm gonna fire up. Like I said, I'm gonna put everything on low, let it warm up for around 5 minutes, and then away we go. So I'll meet you guys outside. Cheers. Cheers again.
Cheers with an empty pouch.
Cup.
Pouch,
Cup. It's not a cup. Why do you call the cups bottles?
Well, that is actually a bottle. That's an old milk bottle.
A bottle?
All right, guys.
You could call it an old milk cup, but not an old milk bottle.
All right, old milk cup, whatever you say.
Okay.
No,
All right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit.
All right.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna start cooking is the peppers and onions because they're gonna take the longest amount of time. Now I got everything on low right here, so we're gonna lay down a little bit of oil. And we'll put on onions, peppers, like I said, one sweet onion, one green pepper, one red pepper. If you don't like peppers, don't use peppers. What I'm going to be using as a seasoning today is this Grillaholic salt, pepper, garlic barbecue rub. I've used this on a lot of things. This is kind of like the holy trinity of spices. So you can use this on just about anything. You can make it yourself, but it's much easier when it comes in a shaker container already. If you go to their website, they got a lot of cool barbecue and grilling accessories. If you see something you like, use the link I'll leave down in the video description, or use the code Smo'King Barbecue to get 20% off anything you order. So anyway, we'll sprinkle a little bit of this on there. All right. I got some mushrooms too, which typically aren't part of cheesesteak, but I like it, so. All right, guys. We'll let these simmer for a while. Be back in a minute. I got a stick of butter that was in my freezer. I'm just going to add a little butter in here too. And I'm going to use that for the mushrooms too. Like that. We'll give this like another 2-3 minutes, and then I'm going to start to do the mushrooms. I put the mushrooms on last just because they tend to cook pretty fast, much quicker than the peppers and onions. So we'll add the mushrooms in just a minute. All right, guys, I'm going to move this over to make some room for those mushrooms. I still got this on low, but they'll continue to cook over here. All right, so let's apply butter over here. Put a little butter over here too. Alright, now I'm going to add the mushrooms. Alright. We'll let these saute for a few minutes. Be back. Alright. These don't take very long, so don't walk too far away. Add a little bit more butter. Alright, give it a few more minutes. Please soak up some of that butter and some of that heat. We'll hit it up a little bit. It's kind of windy out here. I hope there's not too much wind noise. We'll put a little bit of that seasoning on. Be back in a few minutes. All right, guys. I think these mushrooms are looking good. Now we're just going to kind of incorporate everything together. So, I turned the first 3 burners here onto medium, and I have turned off the one on the far right. I'm going to push this kind of not quite completely off so it can kind of still get a little bit of that heat, but we don't want to overcook it either. But it's going to take a while for these steaks now. So just like that, keep an eye on it. I actually got that last one on low, so we'll just keep them here. Let me go get the star of the show. All right, let's lay down a nice amount of butter over here. This has got some fat on it, which will help render down too. Sorry for all the background noise, but it's a beautiful day here in Wisconsin, and the neighbors are out playing. There's some kids on a trampoline in back here with a barking dog. But that's all right. Alright, quick seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic. I almost got all of it on there. I'll have to do one little small bath. I didn't want to crowd it. Alright. Let's do a few, huh? Now some of this is starting to get a little bit of a crust on it. I like it. Get the last few pieces on here. Alright guys, now I'm going to put enough for like 2 sandwiches here. And then we're going to add some of that mushroom and peppers and onion on top. Push this off to the side here just to focus on these 2 sandwiches, but boy, we're going to have some leftovers for sure. You can use what cheese you want. I'm using some provolone. You know what, I think it needs a 4-slice kind of sandwich. Alright guys, I got one of these aluminum pans here. We're just gonna get a little steam. I'll do one sandwich and then we'll do the other one. Just give it a minute or so, help get that cheese melt. We'll be back in a minute. Alright, let's see. Perfect. Be back in a second. Okay, guys. I'm gonna try to kind of lay this down like that. All right, I've never tried this before, but I've seen a couple videos. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. All right, guys, look at that. All right, get that inside here. Woo! Got a little crisp on that. Look at this. All right, let's get inside. I am hungry. This smells too good to be true. Meet you guys inside. All right, guys, here they are. Oh man, I'm gonna slice one in half and have me and my son try it in just a second. All right, welcome back. I'm here with my son Kyle. My wife Monica's a little under the weather and she's got laryngitis, so she's skipping out on this. Let's just take this one here. All right, let me see if I can cut it in half. Easier said than done. See? Alright, Kyle, here. Grab that. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Whoops. Cheers. Alright. Mmm. The cheese, the peppers, the mushroom, that steak, it's got a little crust. I was worried I burnt it, but actually it adds a lot of flavor to it. Mmm. Are you stealing my drippings? Mm-hmm. What do you think? Look at the countdown.
Done.
You good?
Lots of meat.
Mm-hmm. That's why they call them cheesesteaks. Mmm.
I think.
Wow, that's good. I'm almost speechless. You saw how easy it was, guys. Just make sure you get a good cut of meat and a good piece of bread. Mm-hmm. What do you think? Will that fill you tonight? Mm-hmm. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. The little logo, it looks like this at the bottom of the screen. If you click on that, you can subscribe to my channel. Please do that. And I'll leave a link at the end above here and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. Go check that out as well. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Till next time.
Oh, bye-bye.
Oh boy. Mmm. Mm-hmm. This came out good, huh?